All right, what are we doing tonight here?
So we are installing a Wicker bill gurney flap style add-on to a 2018 Challenger stock wing. See it?
Stock spoiler. Nice little custom graphic right here on the side of the car, man.
Yeah.
But where'd you get that done, by the way?
It's a little something something.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so what's the first little step here that we're doing right now?
All right, so we're mocking it up now. We're gonna tape it up just so it holds it in place. We're gonna eyeball it, make sure it looks even. We're looking around the camera right now. It looks okay, but I want to step back. Once we feel like we have a good even mount to it, then we'll mark with dry erase inside the drill holes, and we'll drill the 25/64 holes.
There we go.
That are pilot holes for the rib net.
There we go.
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
Because I'm fairly positive Sarah's uses different rib nuts.
Ooh. Uh-oh. That's not good. Well, I mean, we'll
We're going to have to edit that out. That'll be in the deleted.
you know, no, I'm just going to cut all the audio from that and just be like, you know, this is what we're saying. We got to make something else work, right?
Gurney flap. It's the same manufacturer that make the wing, by the way. It's the same manufacturer. We got it from the same place.
It is what it's not.
All right. All right, so this is it kind of mocked up on the vehicle. I mean, I believe there's a couple more pieces to it, if I'm not mistaken. This person who made it, PS Designs. But yeah, this is kind of what it's mocked up to look like. So we're just trying to see if we have the right tool in order to install the rib nuts. So more in a second.
It's okay, because I'm going to take this off, and then we're going to look at the holes and see if the holes are like where they need to be.
All right, now we're gonna start drilling. Man, where did you get that kick-ass freaking hoodie, bro?
Into the AM. You're gonna put my link in your bio, right?
I will put the link in the bio.
10% discount. Use Thuggy Bear.
Man, that thing's sick as hell, dude. Hey, they got other stuff like that on there, right?
Bunch of stuff.
Oh, dude, hey, definitely check that site out, bro. For real. His link is gonna be in the description.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. No going back. Oh, no going back now, huh? Ooh.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
That's saucy. Little starter holes.
All right.
Ooh, look at that. Look at all that. It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Oh, yes.
Oh, man. On to the next one, right?
The customer's standing over my shoulder right now, and he's not saying anything.
Sean, how does this make you feel? Oh, he's on the phone.
I'm gonna tell you guys right now, do not try this at home.
They can try it at home.
Especially when you bought it from eBay. Totally just joking. Just joking.
Right? No. All right, we're going to continue doing these holes and, wow, that came out wrong. Anyway, we're going to continue drilling out these holes and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards.
If I could give him this. I'll be back. I'll let you guys handle this. You guys got to take care. Again, obviously that wrong decision's wrong.
All right, so what are we doing here?
Rib nut installation.
It just goes in like that.
So it just slides right in.
Squeeze the little handle a couple times.
And it'll pinch. So here, I'll show you. So basically, what happens is this is what you got, right? Thread it onto this. And when you get it into the hole, once you squeeze, what it does is it yanks this part up.
Mm-hmm.
So this is your pinch point. So it'll pinch, like your, in this case, the spoiler will pinch between here and whatever metal I bring up.
Got it.
So it'll hold in place, and it's what makes, and then inside of this is where the bolts will go, and it'll make it so that the wicker bill is removable. You
Instead
go,
of just, you know, drilling
exactly
screws in there or anything like that, you can.
This is proper
cleanly-
bodywork install. All right, so that part's done.
Looks good to me.
All right, brother. All right. Let it.
And there is the completed project. So, I mean, you guys obviously didn't need to see the screws being screwed into it or anything like that. But, I mean, this is what it looks like when it's fully put on. Looks pretty damn good, except for the orange in the center where the camera is. I mean, you know, whatever.
I wish I knew a shop that had vinyl skills that could wrap that small piece under.
I know, right?
That would make it solid black. But
I know, just
it's hard finding good vinyl wrap places that know what they're doing.
I know, right?
Nah.
Go to New York or something. All right, anyway. So there it is. There's the install of a Wicker bill on a 2018 Challenger. I know it's kind of different than the normal WRX stuff and the wrap stuff that I post on here, but you know, it's time to change it up a little bit. If you guys want to see more like this, let me know. And once again, check out Into the AM. Link will be in the description down below. Thanks, guys.